Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to look at this 100 watt-hour mini power station that was sent out to me to review. This thing is very beautiful in its design, as you guys can see. I love the fact that you can see inside of the electronics, which is so cool, but it also provides you with AC power delivery. You guys see we have a 3-prong plug right here at the base, and at the top we have 2 USB-A's, 2 USB-C's. We also have a camping light. We have our AC and DC power buttons right here on the front as well. Now, if you want to turn on this camping light, you're just going to press your DC power button, as you guys can see. And it has 3 modes. It has a strobing mode, a continuous mode, and an SOS mode, all built into this one light. And to turn it off, you just press and hold it again, it'll turn it off. Now, if you want to switch on your different modes for the battery itself, you have your AC power, so you just press and hold that, and you guys will see that we'll get AC that'll come on, and there's a little AC indicator right there. And if we want to turn on our DC, we're just going to press and hold that as well, and we'll get DC along with USB connectivity right here. So very nice design, guys, very lightweight. But even though this is plastic for the most part, I don't feel any of that normal creak you find with some of these plastic devices. There's no give whatsoever to this. Now, being that it is a clear plastic, I wouldn't drop it. It probably will pick up a few little scratches here and there, but this is designed to be a portable power station, guys. As you guys can see here, it has 27,000 milliamp hours, 97.2 watt hours that this little guy produces. Yeah, if you're a camper, if you're looking for a continuous power source to be able to travel with you throughout your day, whether that's charging up your laptop, phones, tablets, whatever the case it may be, this could be an excellent little buddy to have with you during all of your adventures. All right, guys, this has been your buddy Rome at Rome Knows Tech, and I really wanted to show you guys this cool little battery. I am a fan of it. I can honestly say this is going to easily be a part of my everyday carries. I'd like to thank J&J for sending this out for me to take a look at. Yes, this is definitely going to be one of the Rome everyday household devices right here. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.